is December 1st, only just, I think it's about 10 past midnight, and this is not how I expected to spend the first of Vlogmas, the first day of Vlogmas. I'm currently waiting for my ferry over to Aberdeen for the day tomorrow, or today, and I've been waiting here for about an hour and a half. Still got probably an hour and a half until I get on the boat because it's running late. We've had really high winds and it's delayed the boat, so it's getting quite cold in the car. It's late, I'm tired, and but on the plus side, I did bring my first day Advent little package with me from my aunt Advent, so I'll be opening that very shortly. It's now around 2:30 in the afternoon. I've just picked up pretty much a whole kitchen in my little micro. It's amazing what you can fit in a micro. There was one time I fit a 7-foot Christmas tree and all the Christmas shopping, me sitting in the back and my husband driving in a micro. I say whole kit. We've got 3 worktops, about 10 cupboard doors, all in my micro. I'll show you. See, 3 worktops. There's a load of cupboards underneath that worktop too, and a great big box behind my seat. Now I've just got to drive back to the ferry, wait around for a couple of hours, and then I've got a 6 hour boat journey ahead of me till I can get back on the island. Then a half-hour drive home. It's going to be a long day.